Can I put you guys on YouTube later tonight? Yeah? I can put you on Parrot YouTube.
Parrot YouTube? It's been 1 minute.
1 minute and counting, guys.
He's getting big old gangster. This is hilarious.
What's the time? Ah, you guys aren't going to do it.
We are.
No, you're not. We're going to need a mop out here.
Oh, that was doing good. You had 2 minutes. But is it good though?
Yeah, is it good though? Because if you have to eat it and it's not good. They have 45 seconds to go. If they can finish the kitchen sink in 45 seconds, then they have won themselves a free dessert. Come on! 15 seconds to go. 15 seconds. Three minutes. They were like, no problem, man. Bring it. 3 minutes? Ah. The minimum's 5.
But y'all did good though. Y'all did good.
Oh, by the way, can I have a job application?
Right over there. Oh, that's perfect. YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
We are hiring, ladies and gentlemen.